students. Wish you all the best for having nice Saturday. Day before, we learned about the great celebrity of the world, Walt Disney, unforgettable character. We also show why he has been unforgettable because of his great contribution, because of his unique creations, and because of his best creations, like Disneyland Studio, where you can see, even today, you can see his great contribution, his best creations, like cartoons, nature film, and feature movie. You can see, right? Here, his mother described him that he is a driving force. For his brother Walt Disney, he was a driving force. Driving force means inspirer. The people working with him always mention, always describe him as if he were alive. As if he were alive, not dead, because of his great contribution. Here we see the meaning of contribution. Contribution means give, to give. Have money, support, or idea. Contribution, because of his great contribution. Contribution means to give something like help, money, support, or to give idea. So he has been unforgettable, great celebrity of the world. Contribution. His brother described him that he is a driving force, inspired for him. Second thing, the people working with him, they always mention him as if he were alive. Here, his brother also says about Walt Disney that he is highly interested in drawing. He is highly interested in drawing. Also, he is highly interested in painting. He never lost his love for trains. He loved the trains so much, highly interested. And so, an old-fashioned train. An old-fashioned train, it is one of the first attractions for Disneyland. One of the first attractions, an old-fashioned train at Disneyland. an old fashioned train. Remember these things, very important for board exam. An old fashioned train, it is one of the first attractions of Disneyland. Second thing, his brother also describes him that he was a complex man. Walt Disney, he was a complex man. His life full of complexity. He was a complex man. His life was full of complexity that we have seen day before, right? Full of complexity, that means we can't easily understand him. We can't easily understand his personality. So, there were different opinions. There were different opinions about Walt Disney's character, Walt Disney's personality. Different opinions. Let us see which are they. According to the writers, producers, and animators, what did they say? According to the writers, producers, and animators, they say that he was a genius person. Genius. A genius person. What do you mean by genius? Meaning of genius is a person. He is a person with a great and rare natural ability. Try to understand the meaning of genius. Genius, a person with a great or rare natural ability. You hardly find such ability or skill in a particular area, such as science or art. You can take example Albert Einstein. He is a mathematical genius. Sir Isaac Newton, genius. Okay? So about his personality, the writers, producers, and animators, they say genius person. Here we also see the word animate. Animate. Animator. It is a new word for you. Animate means having life. Having life. Alive. Living. Full of life. Animate. Exactly. Meaning of animate is having life. Alive, living, full of life. Synonym, synonymous. Active, energetic, Antony. Active, Dave. Energetic, lifeless. Live, spiritless, lifeless. Antony, synonymous, antonymous. Animator. Try to understand the meaning of word animator. Animator. A person who creates animated cartoons or films. Animator. What is the meaning of animator? He is a person who creates, who produces what? Animated cartoons or films. Animate means having life, full of life, alive, not dead, living. An animator who creates animated films or cartoons. Animation. Animation, noun form. Animation, noun form. Vitality. Vitality. Vitality, spirit. Spiritless. Okay? So according to the writer, producers and animators, they said that he was a genius person because he had extraordinary ability to add to any story or ideas. His imaginative power also very great. He gave fun and entertainment to the millions of people who watch his TV show. Fun and entertainment to the millions of people who watch his TV show. Second, for the bankers. For the bankers, what did they say? The bankers. What was their opinion about Walt Disney? The bankers said that he was a wild man. Wild man. Hellbent. Hellbent. And bankruptcy. The bankers say about Walt Disney. What did they say? They said that Walt Disney was a wild man, hellbent, and bankruptcy. Let us see the meaning of hellbent. Hellbent means determined. Determined. Firm-minded. Sure-footed. Sure-footed. Hellbent. And bankruptcy means failure. Failure. Banker who gave him loan to create cartoons, to create movies. Banker said bankruptcy, failure. Hellbent, determined fellow. And according to his brother, Roy Disney, what does he say? Roy Disney, he said, my brother Walt Disney He said, my brother, amazing kid brother, amazing, wonderful, for me. For me, he was a driving force, inspired for me. Kid brother, amazing, wonderful character, for me. He was a driving force for his brother, for a writer, Walt Disney. Because he always inspired. And now they all are busy to complete the work of Walt Disney that he left incomplete. Different views, different opinions about Walt Disney's personality. Now let us see what Walt Disney first he sketched the animals. First he sketched animals on his old farm, where even today you can see apple orchard. Apple orchard. Orchard means fruit. Apple orchard, Safarjandi Vadiyo, and weeping willow, very green, very beautiful. There he first sketched the animals. Second thing, he first earned his money. The most important line of this thing. Walt Disney earned his first money by sketching the neighbor's house. By sketching the neighbor's house. Earned his first money, nickel, by sketching the neighbor's house. First money, he sketched the neighbor's house, and by doing so, by sketching, he earned first money, nickel, coin. Nickel means coin of 5 cents. After that, he studied about the cartoons in Chicago. Then he started a little animated cartoon company. After studying about cartoons in Chicago, he started an animated cartoon company at Kansas City. But it flopped. It failed. Flop. Flop means fail. Collapsed. At Kansas City, he started animated company, cartoon company, but it failed. It collapsed. Failed. Flop. After that, what happened? What did he do? See the life journey of Walt Disney, full of difficulties, hardships, obstacles. After that, after being failed, what did he do? He tried, he decided to try his luck in Hollywood. At that time, he was only 21 years old. He was only 21 years old, and he decided to try his luck in Hollywood. At that time, his brother Walt Disney, the writer, he was in Los Angeles. He was in Los Angeles. he met Walt Disney at the station, where he found him that he was carrying a cheap suitcase. He was carrying a cheap suitcase. He had a cheap suitcase, not costly, cheap suitcase that contained all his belongings. Which contained in his suitcase, there were all his belongings, all his necessities. Roy Disney met him there. He borrowed $500 from an uncle. Borrowed $500 and started a series of cartoon line. Its name Alice. He started a cartoon series named Alice. But it didn't go good. It was not running good or better. It was tough going. It was tough going. After that, again, here, in this series, Walt Disney did all the animation work, and his brother Roy Disney cracked the old-fashioned camera. Walt Disney did all animations, and his brother Roy Disney started an old-fashioned camera. But it was not running good. It was tough running. So after some time, he also started a new cartoon series. A new cartoon series, and the name of it was Oswald the Rabbit. He started new series, new cartoon series. He started Oswald the Rabbit. He started a new series, new cartoon series. It did better. It earned very much. Oswald the Rabbit, successful cartoon series. It earned very much for him. It did better for Walt Disney. But what happened? See, Walt Disney, he went to New York. He went to New York distributor for earning more money. Walt Disney, he went to New York distributor for earning, with a view to earning more money. But what happened there? The distributor copyrighted, cheated him. The distributor cheated Walt Disney, and he was put into trouble, hard difficulty he was put in. But Walt Disney never lost his courage. He was not downhearted. Never lost his courage.